Are you ready to make your St. Patrick's Day meal unforgettable? Let's smoke some corned beef in your oven. First up, grab a 3-pound corned beef brisket. Give it a good rinse under cold water, then pat her dry with some paper towels. Now, mix together 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of ground mustard. Rub that seasoning all over the brisket like you mean it. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees. In a roasting pan, spread some wood smoking chips and add just enough water to come up about an inch, but don't drown them. Place the brisket on a rack inside the pan. Pop it in the oven and smoke it for 2 hours. Cover with foil and cook for another hour until it hits 185 degrees inside. There you have it, folks. Tender, juicy, and smoky corned beef, perfect for St. Patty's Day. Like and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. See y'all next time.